What's up, my beautiful people? It's your boy Kimani and welcome yet to another video. So today I'm doing a kind of different video from my usual vlogs. So I have some exciting news for you guys. After months and months of saving, I really wanted to have a vlogging camera since I was using my phone for the vlogs, and I really wanted to get just a separate camera for vlogs, something that I can carry around easily and just keep giving you guys some much more quality content and good content. So yeah, finally we have a new vlogging camera for my travel and food content. So I'm very happy to share with you guys this exciting news. Actually, it has been long enough after saving, really sacrificing. Finally, I have the DJI Action 6, and I can say that this is my first action camera. I was about to get the Pocket 3, but I researched, and this Action 6 is very versatile, and you can vlog in different kinds of weather. Whether it's rainy, it's also waterproof up to 20 meters below sea level. Yeah, so in this video I want to do an unboxing video with you guys, so you can see what is inside here, what accessories does it come with. As you can see, I've bought the adventure combo, and what I know about the adventure combo is that it comes with a case with 3 batteries, the 1.5 meter extension rod, and and the camera, the DJI Action 6. So if you do vlogs, or if you are a content creator, I will advise you to get either this or the Action 5 Pro. But the good thing with this is that it has a much larger sensor, 1/1.1 inch sensor. That means that it can give you good videos in low light, and also it has a good battery life. Yeah, you can literally create good content from this. So let's unbox this and let's see what's inside here. But I'm very happy, and if you keep supporting me, guys, and pushing me to the next level, then I'll be giving you guys good videos. So yeah, let's unbox and let's see what's inside. I also got this SanDisk Extreme Pro memory card for my action camera, so it's 512 GB, as you guys can see. Yeah, so let's unbox. I'm so happy. Comment down below if you're happy for me too. Yeah, buddy. So, taking off the paper. Yeah, so here we go. So this is how it comes. So you can see here, this is the accessory side. This is the action camera, the DJI Action 6. Let's remove this. This is how it looks. The accessories. This is how it looks. Let's see what is inside here. So this is the manual. This is the manual. Now the thing is that this is just to preserve them. Now this is the case, the charging case. Look at this. So this charging case comes with 3 batteries, I guess, and then it has a button here, and it has a Type-C charging port here, and then the 3 batteries. So for travel and for travel content, I need much more batteries because I usually shoot longer videos. So yeah, these are the batteries. So let's see each other. They have this these are the locking screws to lock the extension rod to the camera. Yes, these are the locking screws, as you can see. Then we have the Type-C cable, charging cable, C to C. This one. So this is the Type-C cable. And what do we have here? This one is the curved base. I'm not sure about this. So it comes with this. So we have this is the dual direction quick release. So you'll attach the rod here and then lock with this locking screw to the camera. Yeah, so this is the dual direction quick release, like that. And then what is this? So I guess there are 2. You get 2 of them. So yeah, those are the accessories of the Action 6. Yeah, so let's see what is. So this is the camera, and finally we have the extension rod over here, as you guys can see. Yeah, so this is the 1.5 meters rod. Yeah, this now is the rod, the extension rod. Also, you can rinse with clean water to remove stand after underwater usage. And it's I think they have said you should not use the extension rod during thunderstorms to avoid lightning strikes. So I guess you have you can extend another extension rod from here, or a base here. So it extends like this. So let's say you're vlogging, you just hold it like that. So when you're vlogging, you just hold it like this. Yeah, so this is the extension rod. And finally, the moment that we have been waiting for is here. Get the Action 6 camera itself. So small, so lightweight. You can literally just put it in your pocket and go with it. that's why I chose this one. And also it doesn't have many mechanical parts. It doesn't have the small gimbal at the Pocket 3, so you don't have to worry much about putting it. Like, you can literally put it anywhere without worrying about it, but it can get damaged. So yeah guys, here comes our Action 6. So let's remove this. Wow, look at this guys, a small camera but really powerful. Look at that. Expect much better content. So we have a viewing screen here, and then now we have the protective case for the lens, lens inside there. Yeah, so this is the camera guys. How does it look? Let me know. So let's open the charging. So you charge from here, then you close this. So to open the battery side, you just do like this. First of all, press this, then like that. Then you have the battery side, then like that. So let us put one battery. First of all, let me so it has a memory card slot there. So let's put the memory card slot. The memory card. Yes. Yeah guys, so we have our new Action camera. As you can see guys, how does it look? It looks amazing, right? So it's time to create much more better content, quality content, and yeah, so that is it for today. I guess I'll see you guys in the next adventure video. So yeah, make sure you like, share, subscribe. Peace guys, let's meet in the next video.